We'll just run a number 9 lead pallet over here, little bird shot. That's the new Coiltek 10x5. Now the Equinox is completely maxed out, so 25 sensitivity, gold one. Just show you how that reacts on the coil. You get pretty decent reaction at the tail there. And at the tip. Go to the center, it dies away. Until you get really close to the coil. Tail and tip. Nice and hot. I don't know if you can see the angle with the measurements there. You should be able to work that out. Now we'll compare to the stock coil. Okay, the exact same thing. I've just plugged the coil in rather than messing about putting it on the shaft because I'm not going to put it back on in a hurry. Number 9 again. So on this one, the whole length of the coil straight down the middle is the most sensitive. Whereas on the Coiltek over there, it's just there and there, tip and tail. A very different way of reacting. The center on that one's pretty dead on tiny targets. As they get bigger, that all changes. So the little one, the little 6-inch, probably better overall on very small targets. But the hot tip and toe on that Coiltek are really good if you're fumbling around in rocks looking for gold. Alright.